Rahim and Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, I am Asma Yunus. Today I will talk about the mental disorder that is obsessive compulsive disorder. In every 200 children has OCD. One third of the US population has OCD. What are obsessions? Obsessions are contamination, losing control, harming someone, losing important items. Compulsion. These are the obsession for this to fulfill the obsession. We have compulsion like washing and cleaning, orderness, double checking, follow a strict routine. These are the compulsions that an individual follow. So let's talk about. And then is losing control, orderliness. You will order the things. Harming someone, double checking. Your doors are closed or not. Homework is done or not. Stove is off or not. Following a strict routine. These are the compulsion. When obsession and compulsion are joined together, they will make a disorder termly named as obsessive compulsive disorder. One thing, remember one thing in your mind, that if you have we label the mental disorder, or we say person with problem when these compulsion, these obsession and routine disturb routine life and function of the life. Then normally people think that my hands are dirty and they will wash, but if they wash the hand 10 times 100 times a day, then it means it's not normal. Let's talk about OCD cycle. Firstly, what is anxiety? Distress, fear, worry, disgust, need to be something. Then compulsion, behavior initially performed to reduce anxiety checking. You have to reduce to induce anxiety. Then is relief, temporary relief from that feelings. And obsessions, unwanted distressing thoughts, impulsive mental images. This is the OCD cycle that is running inside the brain of the individual suffering from OCD. And these are the things that are running in her mind. So next we will talk. Next I will talk about the symptoms of OCD. What are the symptoms of OCD? The symptoms of OCD are hoarding. You have change the setting, change the again and again, symmetry and ordering all the time. Changing the bed sheets all the time, changing, and not for the one time or 10 time, at least it prolonged to 15 times, 10 and 100 times. Cleaning. Fear of symptoms. What are the symptoms of OCD? Fear of contamination or dirt, uh, doubting and having difficulty tolerating uncertainty. This is the second symptom of OCD, needing things orderly and symmetrical. We all want things in order, but in OCD they have the strict rules and ordering in not in one time, ordering 100 times, and symmetry in 100 times. Aggressive or horrific thoughts about losing control or harming yourself or others. Unwanted thoughts including aggression or sexual or re- religious objects, religious subjects. These are the main five symptoms of OCD. The person that having these symptoms may be labeled as or having OCD. And you are all want cleanliness, all need all people hate dirtiness, but in the scenario of OCD, they are cleaning the things 100 times, 50 times. So it's not normal. If you are washing your hands 100 times a day or 50 times a day, it's not normal. And if you are setting the room for the 50 times or a whole day or whole night, it's not normal. All have negative thoughts or aggression, but to some extent. When it disturb their life, it means it is a problem. Now you have to consult the therapist, or you have to talk about your internal feelings to someone that will help you. Symptoms of OCD. Mm, and bipolar disorder, depression, sleep disorders, obsessive compulsive disorder, mental health, season affected disorders. These are the categories of different disorders, and obsessive is one of them. And OCD, you have the you have to you have obsession, and you have to do that compulsion. If you have the obsession that your hand is dirty, or the compulsion you will clean the hand. If you have the compulsion that your bed sheet is dirty, then the compulsion you will clean the bed sheet. How much time you have compulsion. Obsessive compulsive disorder stages of responses: recovery not at all ill, remission full response 35%, partial response between 25% 35%, non-response symptom relapse return, and it is the research based that relapse in return 3 months. No change or worsening of symptoms with all available refractories that. Now therapy. Now we are talking about the therapy for the OCD is usually a type of cognitive behavior therapy, CBT, with exposure and response prevention therapy. This involves working with your therapist to break down your problems into their separate parts, such as your thoughts, physical feelings, and actions. Best therapy for the OCD, because it's basically the obsession that disturb you, and you will perform the compulsions. So the best therapy for the OCD is CBT, cognitive behavior therapy. For this you should you should think that your problems, what are your problems, and these problems how affect your life or your daily routine. So consult the psychologist for this. You should consult to the doctor or physiotherapist, a doctor or a psychologist. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.